Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. This week, I'm going to shed some new light on the swinger fold. If you're unfamiliar with the swinger, it features a short accordion format and a die cut that swings when you activate the accordion fold. There are lots of variations of swingers, and it's often used as a novelty format, like in this beautiful event invitation designed by Jennifer Kozak for Tiny Jewel Box. But you may be surprised to know that it has real potential in direct mail marketing as well, so let's take a closer look. This holiday promotion from Olive Garden hides a dimensional surprise inside. If you look at how it's folded, there are two long panels, which are the cover and the mailing panel, and then two short accordion panels that present a large coupon. Half of the coupon is cut out of one of the panels. It's hard to see, but there's a micro perf around the right side of the coupon, which makes it really easy to remove completely from the mailer. I also really like the extra detail of the little pull tab on the right. It's so well placed and intuitive for the opening experience. Paper choice is perfect too, sturdy enough to stand on its own, but not too rigid or bulky. One of the things I really like about the design is the simplicity of the message and how they lead with the coupon, and then the coupon moves to reveal the message with the call to action. There are many different configurations for the swinger fold, but the key to using the swinger for direct mail is designing the swinging elements on the interior of the piece, sandwiched between two solid rectangular covers. The folding configuration we just looked at works really well for this purpose. You may be surprised to know that the Olive Garden sample was folded entirely by machine. However, it's also very common to hand-fold swingers when they're in quantities of under 10,000 units. Good to know. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solutions with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.